In this video, I'll show how to transfer a design to fabric using the example of the embroidery I'm currently working on. It's an ancient headdress. It's several hundred years old, and one can find it in some historical museums. Many ancient rare techniques were used to make it, for example, gold and pearl embroidery, cord landing, and others. I have frontal part completely ready, and all I have to do is to make bangs out of pearls. Now I need to embroider the top. Such embroidery will take about 6 months and has several levels. First, I created a drawing on paper. It's too big and I divided it into 4 parts. Now I need to transfer this drawing to a special paper what will disappear when it comes into contact with water. I don't recommend using the instructions because you will ruin the whole embroidery. I will show how to wash embroidery in another video. For transfer, I use light pad for artists. Also, I need a special ruler, what you see in the video. This is the paper I'm using now. Pay attention to the surface of the fabric. I have prepared a base that consists entirely of metal threads. This work took 4 months and it's impossible to draw on this surface. That's why I use this method. In fact, there are many methods of transferring the pattern to the fabric, which I will also talk about someday. I thought the line was too faded and drew them again. Here's what I got, and now I'm going to embroider, and I hope to finish this project by the end of this year. Thank you for watching.